What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Danny. I know it's been a long time since I've made an upload, but we've been battling some health issues and stuff like that, and the car's been down for almost a year after what happened with the heads. I'm gonna go into detail exactly what happened, what the diagnosis was. I'm gonna throw in pictures into this video so you guys can see the process of the build. I haven't been able to, I work, so if I have a full-time job and I can't be at the shop all the time taking clips and stuff. But the builder Nick at DS Motorsports in Davie did a really good job documenting everything, and he sent me pictures and all that stuff. So I'm gonna incorporate all that stuff into this video so we can get you guys up to date with the car. I'm really excited to show you guys how this car came out. Nick nailed it out of the park. Crazy build. I couldn't be happier. But enough talking. Let's get into it.
He's alive, bro.
All right, guys, so I want to get into how we got here, what happened. Okay, so 9 months ago, the car started consuming coolant, and I couldn't figure out what it was. I couldn't figure out what was going on. We changed the coolant reservoir, we changed the cap, we flushed the system a million times. The car was not smoking. It wasn't doing anything funky. The car was making crazy power. It wasn't making any noises. It didn't sound like it was fouling, and but it was just, it would drop a tank of coolant as soon as you take it out driving. By the time you got home, that tank was empty. So I ended up getting in contact with Nick. I had the car taken over there because I thought it was the head gasket. I was like, man, maybe for whatever reason the heads weren't done right and the gasket went. And Nick had the car. He diagnosed it. He did everything, and he said, "This is funky. We gotta like look deeper into this." So he pulled off the heads, and sure enough, we had a cracked piston. Probably the worst possible news that you can get after just having a heads and cam kit done on your car. You know, dishing out pretty big money to get this car safe, and turns out the bottom end is hurt. So I was pretty devastated, but you know, it is what it is. Things happen. I'm glad I was introduced to Nick, and he took care of the car for me. So we decided, I wanted to keep the original block. You know, we checked. I do want a 7-liter. I want it to be an LS7. I didn't want no Texas speed or anything. I wanted my original motor, see if we can fix it. So the first thing was checking the sleeves to make sure they weren't cracked and seeing if this motor was salvageable, which, thank the Lord, it was. And Nick knows a lot of great people in the industry, and he had a great machine shop take care of the motor for me. They blueprinted, balanced everything. We bored over just like 5/1000ths to put in some forged pistons. I did keep the titanium rods. Everything was balanced. I do like titanium. That's an LS7 thing. So for me, I wanted like a premium plus, I guess. So, you know, we'll make a little bit more power, and but it's still an LS7 for the most part. And the heads, we did upgrade them because it turns out the previous shop did not do what they said they were going to do, and that is a big deal, and we'll talk about that later on, because that's a whole other issue that I gotta deal with We're gonna see if that shop wants to step up and make things right, because they really dropped the ball here on my car. But so we did the heads, we refreshed the heads, different valves, put Johnson lifters, K-Tech oil pump, the best of the best, guys. MSD intake, Cook's headers with the cats. We spared no expense here. I wanted to make sure this car was going to be 100% when I got it back, because I enjoy this thing. I want to be able to hop in it and go to 2-hour drives, 3-hour drives if I wanted to, make a long trip with it. Who knows? Maybe we can make it to the museum one day. That'd be amazing. I would love to do that and get all our paperwork and everything from the museum, which would be spectacular. But I'm gonna throw pictures and everything as we're having this conversation, because I want you guys to see all the work that was done and the damage that was done to the engine by the previous shop. Alright guys, I apologize for the wind noise, but here she is, guys. I don't know if you notice, she's a lot more quiet now. We did go with a full Cook's catted exhaust. I couldn't deal with the fumes anymore putting the car in the garage, so that was a must. And honestly, I'm very happy. Cook's quality is insane. It's insane, even down to the clamps and the bolts. It's amazing. Now this is with the valves open, so it is pretty quiet. The car's at a conservative tune. While I break in the motor, Nick wants to do a 500-mile braking period, and then we're gonna swap out the oil, change the oil, cut that filter open, make sure there's no shavings in there. But yeah, she's looking good, boys. She's looking real good. Alright guys, this is the new fully rebuilt LS7. She looks gorgeous. And we did do some power upgrades as well. I'll go into detail of everything. I just want to let you guys hear it. Look at those headers. How beautiful are those headers? Look at all that hardware. Gorgeous. Look how nice they're turning gold. We did do the latest version of the Mighty Mouse oil catch can. She's looking sweet, guys. Very, very happy with Nick's work. Step back a little bit so you guys can see the beast. I am so happy to show you guys this car. It's been a long time coming. And she's dirty. We haven't even given her a full detail, so. I don't want to make this video a negative video because I want it to be a positive start. The car's back. It's better than ever. I'm so grateful for the people that I have around me, all my friends, and especially SloJoe. I'll link his YouTube on my channel. He has been, man, like a blessing, honestly, for this whole thing, because he built his car recently, and this is my first time doing like a full engine build, and it's a long process. It's stressful. But he's been like my support system, and he's helped me out through this whole thing, guided me, let me know everything was going to be good. This is how things happen. And a lot of other people too, Drew, and you know, a lot of good guys around me that are keeping me in the path of getting this car running right. But yeah, guys, I wanted to make this video out, get you guys up to date with the channel. You know, try to get my health right, and we're gonna be getting back out there into the car shows. We're gonna film boat shows no matter what. A big thing is I did change the name of the channel. I wanted to head a different direction. I tried the name and it wasn't for me, so we changed it. I think Vice Life is appropriate, being that we're down here in Miami. So we changed the name of the channel, guys, but it's still gonna be awesome content. A lot of car stuff and boat stuff and fishing stuff. So stick around, guys. I'm gonna put in some clips of the car now that we got that sunset coming in. The lighting's gonna be perfect for some nice slow videos with some good music. So I'm really glad to be able to show you guys the car and get you up to date with everything. And I hope you guys are enjoying the channel, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It means a lot. It tells me that you guys are enjoying the content, guys. So, see you. On to the next one.